Alright, I got a Honda CR-V here. It's a silver metallic, paint code NH552M. Got a repair on the quarter panel. We're going to blend the rear door. I'm going to go ahead and get into my base coat using Spies Hecker High-Tech. I'll be spraying my base with my Seda 5500 1.20 RP.
Alright, I'll start with my wet bed. Then I'll start with my blend and work my way back. Start with my blend, work my way back to my coverage. Now my blend is going to be farther back as I'm farther out here, more of like a drop coat, and I'll get closer as I come back to get full coverage. Burn through right here, so I'm going to go farther up. But as you can see, even being farther back, it's still getting coverage. Now with this one, I did not cut my base coat for my blend. Sometimes I will cut it 3-to-1 for my farther out blend, and I'll go full strength coming back. This one I didn't. You don't need to. It's just personal preference. On some colors I like to do it. It makes the blend a little bit easier. As you can see, I'm flicking it for my blend. Make sure not to leave a halo. If you don't flick it, you will leave a halo, and you'll have to go back over that. But flicking it out into my blend, working my way back on my coverage. I'll cover up this primer edge. Okay, got my coverage. Now I'm going to do my drop coat into my blend area. As you can see, I'm cutting it where the primer edge was and flicking my drop into here because I already have a drop coat over here. My blend's all done, orientated, it's dropped, so I'm going to just flick it right into that. Perfect. Now I'm going to dry that. I'll turn the lights off. I'll check it with the sunlight. I should be ready for clear. Alright, I'm ready to clear. I'm using the Seda 5500 1.3i, and I'll be spraying Spies Hecker 8094. Alright, I'm gonna give that a real quick flash and then do another coat. I'm ready to do my next coat.